guys? Hang out with the fourth here, and welcome back to my review of iOS 8 and the new iPhone 6 Mockup. I'm going to discuss pretty much my opinions, but before I discuss this, let me introduce you to our sponsor. This video was brought to you by Weebly. Create your own customizable website in less than a half an hour. I did it, and you can too. Please be sure to check out Weebly on Weebly.com. What's up, guys? I'm back, and first things first is iOS 8. Now, iOS 8 is a brand new operating system from Apple. It's not released yet, but it is coming this fall, and they claim that it's going to be big for developers, but massive for the actual people that are going to be using it. Now, a couple of features they're adding are an actual integration with the keyboard. It actually has predictive typing, which was first introduced with Google Keyboard, and that is really helpful for Apple devices because I use it a lot actually on Android, and it works pretty good. So I hope that the Apple version works pretty well too. So the next thing they announced, they did do a better notification center. They added actually contacts on top of the notification bar, so that that actually helps. So you can actually call somebody from the notification center. So that's really nice. Another feature they added was the Spotlight search. They just completely rearranged it. You can actually search on the internet and stuff like that. It's basically Google now, kind of like I think they really stole it from Google because with the swiping to the left thing. But it's right there on Spotlight search, and you can search anything you want to. So that's really great. And the last thing that I really like is the new iCloud Drive. Now, they pretty much just ripped this from Google Drive, but literally the name's Drive. But it's basically just Google Drive, basically, but it's between devices, so it's not really on the cloud. It's kind of on the cloud because it's with iCloud, but it's pretty much in between like Apple iPods and iPhone, stuff like that. And another thing before I end about iOS 8, the new health apps. These things are great, especially for you fitness people out there. It works with the Fitbit, the Nike Field Band, all those wearables. It puts it together and in one app, and you can track your push-up count, stuff like that. It works with Nike Plus, so if you have those new Air Maxes, it just works good. So that's all about iOS 8, just summed up into one. Tim Cook did a really good job at WWDC 2014 with, it seemed like they were more laid back, they had more fun, they weren't really more serious, they just had more fun, in my opinion. So that's pretty much it with iOS 8. Now, next thing is the new iPhone 6 dummy model. Now, this thing looks pretty cool. It's kind of off. It looks weird. It doesn't really look like the original iPhone, but I do like the new look. I like the bigger screen. It's 4.7 inches, but this is just a dummy model, so this might not even be what it looks like, but it does look pretty similar. So, so please be sure to check out that. I have the trailer playing right now. You can see it, and it looks pretty nice, actually. I know they added the LTE band from the HTC One, and that thing looks really nice. So it looks pretty good to me. A lightning port, all that, pretty genuine. I hope it actually does look like this because the bigger screen is nice. But apparently they're making a companion phablet iPhone or something like that. I hope they don't because I'm not really a phablet fan. But like the Galaxy Note 3 and stuff like that, I'm not really a fan of those phones. So I hope they don't make that. But that's pretty much it. iOS 8 and iPhone 6 mock-up. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. It was just my little short run over. I like it, actually. iOS 8, I hope it improves over time if they add more like 8 point whatever updates. I hope that actually helps it. And I'm feeling good for Apple right now. I usually don't really like Apple like that, but they're actually trying to improve. They're trying to catch up with Android. I think Android is a bit ahead, but I think they're trying to catch up. So at least they're catching up. That's good enough. So thank you guys for watching. And I was for YouTuber. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I like the big shout out from Weebly. They are my new sponsors, so please be sure to check them out. That's pretty much it. Hang out with 4th YouTuber. I'm out. Peace.